Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today we have Angie in our chair. Now, Angie won the Dematting 𝗪𝗓 brand, 𝗧𝗢𝗡 by Beyonce, is paying for her entire service. All right, so we are going to be live dematting her hair this Tuesday. Join us.
Hi, I'm Angie. I found Tone Hair Salon actually in 2018 when I first moved down here. And I've seen their work and they are beyond amazing. Very professional, very loving, affectionate, caring, go over and beyond for every client that comes through the door. And I've been wanting to go to them forever, and it would have been nicer to come here in a better way. But unfortunately, with my story, they were able to help me, and I unfortunately have a dematting problem because I neglected myself. And I found them, and they are phenomenal with demattings. They are the best. And I was like this for 2 years, and because of their services and what they provide, I am able to get it done. And I am beyond grateful and happy. And I'm looking forward to Tuesday.
We're excited. We're excited. We're gonna get the mat out. We're gonna get the mat out. Hold on. Don't pop the mat out. Don't pop the mat out. She's here on her free will.
Oh, obviously.
Free
People
will.
are crazy.
We're not gonna be torturing her. So join our live though. But yeah, let's go. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, beautiful.
And that is exactly what we did. We got into it. Thanks to 𝗧𝗢𝗡, Angie did not have to pay a dime for her dematting service. This is the first time we've ever gotten an opportunity to do something like this for a client, and we are beyond grateful and honored to be a part of her journey. If this is your first time coming across our channel, hello, we are Tone Hair Salon. We are located in Raleigh, North Carolina. We offer dematting services at our salon because we understand that this is something that just happens sometimes. They are more common than spoken about. So if you or anyone you know is dealing with matted hair, please know you are not alone, and we are here to help. Stay tuned to the very end to see Angie's final result. We commonly get asked if the wash and the style is included in the dematting service, and yes, it absolutely is. It is the perfect way to tie together our transformation. You get a good love and scrub and massage, and then a haircut and style however you please, and it is not any extra charge. Our girl Angie just wanted some curls popped in her hair. Angie's hair was matted for about 2 years. Like she said earlier, she found us in 2018 and has been a non-stop supporter. We loved Angie before she even came into the salon for her dematting. So now I'll actually let you guys finish the results on your own. Enjoy the love that this video gives me.